Do you want to edit the Instagram highlight name? You can change the highlight title on Insta with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To edit the Instagram highlight name, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your profile screen, where you will see your story highlights below your bio. Tap and hold the highlight whose name you want to edit. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, tap Edit Highlight. Now, tap on the name field. Delete the existing name and type the new highlight title you want. After editing the name, tap Done at the top right of the screen. Your Instagram highlight name will now be updated and visible on your profile.